disclaimer out there, honey. I am not an expert, but I do have credentials, okay? What's up, everyone? My name's Latika, and welcome to Life with Latika. So, if you are a returning subscriber, shout out to you because it's been a minute, I know. But if you're a new subscriber, let me catch you all up to speed with who I am, what's been going on, all that good stuff. So for starters, I started YouTube in 2014, maybe 2015. It was like over 6 years ago. And my channel was literally all about fashion and all about makeup, because that was during a point where that was my life. So I literally did fashion hauls all the time, and I did makeup tutorials, all the things. And then basically what happened was I kind of phased out of that within a year because I wasn't seeing the growth that I actually wanted. So I just decided, okay, I'm just not doing this anymore. That phased out. And then in 2016, I had my daughter. Her name is Nova L to be exact. So my life was all about Nova. And I actually created a new channel that was a family vlog based channel. And that was cool and all, but honestly, vlogging is such hard work. Kudos to everyone that does vlogs, because that is hard. So that was a little bit too much for me to have a newborn and trying to do that. So that phased out too. Finally, after having my daughter and getting my life back together, I went into real estate. So I became a realtor. I actually became a realtor before her, but I kind of stopped. And then once I got, my life back together, I started a full-time career as a realtor. And that's another story for another day. We'll get into that. So yeah, I started that family vlog channel, phased out of that, but now it's 2021 and I am back. So with this channel, you're going to get all things Latika, hence Life with Latika. Really, I'm just honestly reintroducing myself. I am not the person that I was, thank God, 5-6 years ago when I was on YouTube. I didn't have a care in the world. I didn't have any responsibilities. I was spending my money on everything, y'all. So yeah, that was then and this is now. So who am I now? Number one, I am a mom. Again, I have a daughter. Her name is Nova. That's my world. Everything that I do revolves around her. Number two, I am an entrepreneur. So as you all have already heard in this video, I'm a realtor. I also have an online boutique. And in addition to all of that, I have a 9-to-5. I'm in tech sales. I do love my 9-to-5 job. And that's all I'm gonna say about that, because I want to keep my job. So lastly, the third point is that what I've come to find out is I'm actually a marketing genius. And I'm laughing because it's nothing that I self-proclaim to be, but it's just what everyone thinks of me. So I'm just okay. So here's the thing. I've always been a creative person, literally always. But the thing about creatives is they really don't think they're creative because it's just them. So I'll be talking to someone about something pertaining to marketing and their business, and they'll be like, oh my God, you're a freaking genius. And I'm like, okay, thanks. It almost makes me become awkward, and want to go in a little shell, because I'm wow, I mean, I guess I am. I actually went to college. I went to North Carolina State University, go Pack. So I went to college for business, and I started off with a concentration in accounting, but I found out in the first accounting class that I had that accounting was absolutely not for me. And what I did was I switched over to marketing. And literally, when I switched over to marketing, my life was a breeze, because it was literally already in, it was already in me. You know what I'm saying? So it didn't seem like I was oh my God, this test, blah, blah, blah. I was excited about everything marketing. And that's kind of where the whole marketing thing came about. But anywho, adding on to that marketing piece, a lot of people with small businesses or people that want to start small businesses, they reach out to me. And at first, I'm like, girl, why are you reaching out to me? I don't know what I'm doing. And then, like, I don't know, it was like more and more people like kept coming to me for like information. I'm like, okay, I may know a little something. And then what really let me know, like, okay, you need to take this serious is I started like signing up for like different webinars and different classes and different clubs and all these different things that these so-called marketing gurus like you know, would do or whatever. And the information that they were sharing, I'm like, okay, like I know that, you know what I'm saying? Like literally everything is like, I know that. So I'm like, okay, well, maybe someone wants to hear me, you know, and my spill of things. So basically that's where this YouTube channel comes into play. So this is going to be a safe place for all of my entrepreneurs or people that want to start their businesses, people that are trying to grow their businesses, people that just need a little direction and need a free resource for all things small business related, particularly in regards to marketing. But I'm obviously going to share like all that I can share. And I'm so excited to get started. This is my first video, and actually I did a video last year, I think, like a haul, because I was like psyched up to believe that I was gonna like start YouTube again and do all the things. And I did that one video, and the funny thing is I have like so much like video footage on my phone of things that I recorded. Like I have my daughter's 4th birthday on there. I have, what else do I have on there? I have like, we went to like one of those little drive-through zoos. I have that on there. I have a couple of things on there that I could totally edit, but I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully this gets edited and posted. So if you're seeing this, because that means that I took the time to edit it. But yeah, I really hope like I can be consistent with this. That's one thing that I struggled with like literally since forever. Like I have an issue with consistency. Like I have so many great ideas. Like I said, I'm a creative, but it's just very hard for me to be consistent. So I'm hoping that I can be consistent. And it's so funny because everything is like a full circle. I first started out doing YouTube, doing fashion and makeup. And then I opened my online boutique and all the things. And now it's like I'm coming back to YouTube to encompass all of what I've learned since me first being on YouTube. So what you can look forward to on this channel is me sharing tips and tricks to help you on your entrepreneur journey. Some things will be boutique related, but not all things. Some things will be real estate related because I've learned a lot with real estate as well. But the bulk of it will just be general information for people who have their own small businesses. Let me put this disclaimer out there, honey. I am not an expert, but I do have credentials. So again, I did go to school for 4 years for marketing. I do have an online boutique and I handle all of my marketing. And all of my friends, hit them up and see who they go to for marketing. So I look forward to recording more videos and sharing all the knowledge that I know with you all. I have a lot more in store that's going to build upon this. So that's why I'm almost certain that I can remain consistent with this because I know there's a bigger picture for me. Again, if you are a returning subscriber, you're the real MVP. I love you. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And I am going to say that I'm posting a video every week. So once a week, I'm posting a video. If I don't, find me on Life with Latika and send me a message and be like, girl, where's that video? Okay?